If the ash sweeper on your Weber kettle, also known as the one-touch cleaning system, is rusted, broken, or not sealing properly, it can cause real problems with airflow and ash cleanup. Over time, heat, moisture, and ash slowly wear down the metal blades at the bottom of the grill. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Weber one-touch cleaning system step by step. This particular Weber kettle was actually over 20 years old, and the one-touch cleaning system underneath has definitely seen some use. The sweeper blades are rusted through and starting to fail. Instead of replacing the entire grill, we're just going to replace the worn part. When the sweeper blades rust out like this, they stop clearing ash properly, and they can also affect how the vents seal. That means airflow becomes inconsistent, which makes temperature control harder during a cook. Replacing the one-touch cleaning system restores both ash removal and airflow control. To fix it, we're installing a Weber one-touch cleaning system replacement kit. This is part number 7444. This kit includes the new sweeper blades, a center hub, and the hardware needed to install everything. It's a simple repair that can extend the life of your Weber kettle for many more years. Let's get this thing unboxed, see what's inside now. Handle. Two. The first step is removing the old sweeper assembly from the bottom of the grill. Once the hardware is loosened, the damaged blades and the hub can be pulled out from the kettle. With everything removed, it's also a good opportunity to clean out any ash or debris inside the bowl of the kettle. See that, y'all? 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's forming that shape right there. Next, let's install the new center hub through the vent opening at the bottom of the kettle. This hub connects the sweeper handle to the blades so the one-touch cleaning system can rotate properly. Once the hub is in place, attach the new blades and secure the hardware. The blades should sit flat against the inside of the kettle so they can sweep ash toward the vents. So tighten everything down and rotate the handle to make sure the blades move smoothly across the bottom of the grill. Proper alignment ensures the one-touch cleaning system works correctly. Here's a close-up. Here's that notch there, right? So that handle needs to slide through that notch. Then it turns. Once you slide it through the notch, you just turn it, and that's how it locks in place. Once everything's installed properly, the sweeper blade should glide across the bottom of the kettle and push ash toward the vents. This makes ash cleanup much easier after a cook and helps maintain consistent airflow and temperature control during grilling. Repairs like this are one of the reasons Weber kettles last so long. Even after 20 years of cooking, small maintenance fixes like replacing the one-touch cleaning system can keep these grills running for a long time. If you want to check out the Weber 7444 replacement kit we used in today's video, we'll drop a link below along with our recommended grilling tools and supplies. This video is also part of our Spring Grill Reset series, where we inspect, repair, and prepare our grills before the busy grilling season begins. Thank you so much for watching Daddy DIY Grilling. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process. I want to give a big shout out to our channel members. It's because of your generous support that we're able to keep creating and sharing these grilling resources. You're a huge part of this community, and we couldn't do it without you. Let me show y'all. I told y'all this grill is like pushing over 20 years old. And the way this mechanism is on here, they don't even make them like this anymore. The rod just slides through like two little hooks that are on there. But man, this is old. So I'm looking at trying to figure out how we're gonna get this off. I'm trying to figure out, is this just seized on here? Was this pressed on here? It all turns in one piece. So worst case, I might have to get my hacksaw and just hacksaw underneath there to get that off, because this is locked up pretty good, and I can't turn it at all to get that off. So we may have to cut this bad boy off. I just want y'all to see that. It's pretty solid on there. I tried to hit a hammer to pop that off, and I tried to turn this, but it doesn't look like it's like a nut or something. Not sure what's going on here. Sweet. Came on over here, y'all. See how this thing was on here? This thing is seized up on here. See that? That's what our problem was. This thing's supposed to sit in there like that. Come off of here.